Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome back. In this session, we are going to see how to help children do addition of fractions, and here the fractions are unlike fractions. What do we mean by saying unlike fractions? The denominators are different. So, let us just take two numbers, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Over here, the child knows that the denominators are different and they can't add, and they know that they have to find out LCM. First, let us take 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. Let us take 4 divided by 2 will give us 2, divided by 2 again will give us 1. The next step would be to draw Venn diagram. And make sure that you write the number on top, 3 over here and 4 here. And under 3, you know 3 has factors 3 and 1, and 4 has factors 2, 2 and 1. Now, what is common between these two? You have to scratch or score off and write it in the common area. If you notice over here, only 1 is common, so the child scores off and writes it here. So, now the LCM will be 3 into 1, which is 3, into 2 is 6, and into 2 is 12. Most often it so happens that the child finds it difficult to find out what has to be multiplied with 3 to get 12. So, what they can do is, what is the number that they see over here? 3. So, they have to cover this 3 and look into the opposite side. What do they see? They see 2 and 2. That means 2 into 2 is 4. That means they need to multiply 4 to get 12, and they have to do the same to the numerator too. Now, let us take the next fraction. The next fraction is 1 by 4. That means they are going to close the circle which is marked 4. The number that is visible is 3. That means they need to multiply this by 3, multiply this also by 3. Now, 4 into 3 is 12 and 1 into 3 is 3. So, when they add 2 by 3 and 1 by 4, that means they have to add 8 by 12 plus 3 by 12, which is 11 by 12. Once you use this method, children find out the LCM very easily, and again they also know what should be multiplied with the given denominator to get the common denominator or the LCM. They do not have to struggle. Let us remember that children with learning disability have lots of difficulties in finding the number that has to be multiplied. Here, this method will make it a lot easy for them. Thank you. Mathematical concepts are put across in classroom very well by you all. The methodology and the various methods that we have been sharing over a few sessions over here are the ones that we have tried with SLD children. This has helped these children to remember and recall the steps better. They also are interested and they shed their fear of mathematics. It is not just for SLD children, but this has also been found very useful for other children. This does not benefit just our SLD children, but this has also benefited a lot of other children from mainstream school.